if you run, which you advocate for everyone to be doing just by having an active lifestyle, at least 3 times in a day, you have both physical, emotional, then the other social benefits you get from these runs. One is, if you run, you're able to control your weight. Then you not have issues of having joint pains, issues of back pains. They will all be treated by simple running. The second one, you shall not get what you call non-communicable diseases. These are diseases which are killing us at a very fast rate. You go to work, you are seated on your bench, you put your head down and you are gone forever. Yet you could have prevented by having at least small runs 3 times a week. These conditions include high blood pressure, diabetes, even cancer can be prevented by running. Then the third one is, if you run, you make your heart stronger. Then also the blood vessels, you cannot have accumulation of fat in those blood vessels. The heart is like a pump. You know, if the pump is working at a very slow rate, it tends to weaken. And that is the heart. If your heart, you're exercising it, putting some little strain on it, it tends to be stronger, and over time you live a healthier life. Then the psychological and emotional benefits. If you exercise, you go back when your body is refreshed. Even if you are attending to your work, you are more attentive and able to deliver better results. Then the second one, you have better sleep. And the other one, the third one, as you work day in, day out, the challenges at home, the challenges at work, we tend to get some psychological issues. By running, some of those issues are just resolved just by just running and seeing trees, seeing plants, seeing dogs running by, passing by people's houses. You end up when your brain has been refreshed. Then the social benefits is, when you come to such runs like we are today, we're able to interact with everyone at equal level. I'm a medical doctor. Most of my work, I interact with patients, I interact with health workers. But here today, I'm interacting with lawyers, I'm interacting with a whole array of people, which is good for me, for my social being and survival in this world. Then back to mental health. Mental health is one of the most neglected disease conditions in Uganda. Yet, because of the stresses of life, paying school fees, working for long hours, having to pay for rent, having to pay basically for everything, including food, it adds a lot of psychological strain, both on our mind and on our bodies. And if somebody doesn't come out there and be able to help you come over these problems, overcome these problems, then over time, we tend to have them accumulating in our bodies. Then what people do normally is they have to find cope-up mechanisms. Some of them are very dangerous, one of which is the resort to alcoholism, the resort to drug abuse, the resort to violence, which again makes the problem even worse.